Hi, Pentel. I see you on Amazon, but are you the brand that customers click or the one they skip? Let's take a closer look for your product, which is the liquid gel pen. First, congrats on your Amazon's Choice badge. I know how tricky Amazon's policies can be, so achieving this is a job well done. I'm Kim. I'm a business development representative from My Amazon Guy, and in this video, I'll be covering tips to improve your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. First, let's talk about traffic. What really drives traffic to your listings comes down to your keywords. Using our tool and looking at your distribution here, I could see you are organically indexing for 700 keywords. However, you are not supporting that with any paid keywords, which means that you're likely leaving money on the table because this can be done profitably if you know what keywords to look out for. And there are actually thousands of additional keywords that you could be indexing here. We usually recommend as well the golden ratio of 1 is to 2 here, which is 1 paid for every 2 organic to index more better. You can also check out this word cloud here. These are the most important keyword for your listing. And down here, you will find your highest search keyword in your own category. Right now, we're looking at the biggest traffic opportunities for your product. So for this keyword phrase, gel pen, with 100,000 searches, you are organically ranking here at 255. What that means is that customers have to scroll through over 255 listings plus sponsored ads before they can find your product. And this is limiting your exposure here because you're buried deep in the search results. For this other keyword phrase, which is pen with 82,000 searches, you are not indexing here at all. Now, what this means is that whenever a customer searches for this keyword phrase, you are not being seen here at all. And this is such a missed opportunity for you because imagine the increase in sales if customers can find you using the keyword phrase right over here. Now we can help you with your keywords here. We can help you push these rankings up, ideally into a single digit number, because that is where buyers click and that is where the sales happen. Now let me show you how big your category is in Amazon. This is just in the top 50 listing for one keyword phrase, which is gel pens. And as you can see, there is a total revenue of $7.2 million per month, and top sellers are averaging around $100,000 per month. Now, I can see that you are not getting your fair share over here. There's still plenty of market share that you could tap into, and we can help grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click through rates. We also reviewed one of your top competitors here. This is the Papermate gel pens. And just a disclaimer, we are not comparing products directly here. I know that there are differences when it comes to price and positioning. What we're reviewing is their keyword strategy. So they sold over 15,000 units and have generated $245,000 in sales. The difference comes down to their visibility, and looking at their distribution here, you will find that they are indexing for a much higher amount of keywords. They are also following the golden ratio here, and they are supporting that with paid keywords. This is the reason why they had a very good outcome in Amazon. As you can see, the more keywords that you use equals the more visibility that you have in Amazon, and ultimately more sales for your product. Now, moving on to your product detail page, the look of your page will strongly affect your conversion rate. The title and the bullet points are the best areas for indexing here. You have to work on your title and bullet points. For your title, you're currently at 95. You should maximize this up to 150. Your bullet point, you're just missing one. And then for your image tag here, okay, you have infographics as well and videos. You could also add lifestyle or demographic photos here. And don't forget to update it regularly, your bullet points, as SEOs are not set and forget. And then let's go down here below to your A plus content. All right. Good job utilizing large eye-catching images here. Let's see if you've utilized your alt text as well. Okay, you did. For your alt text, the tip that I can give you here is that you should add misspellings or Spanish terms, as these techniques are proven to help boost your visibility as well in Amazon. Now, those are just a few tips that I can share with you for today. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to book a free consultation using the book a call button at the end of the video, and you'll get to speak with an Amazon expert. My Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. So, whether you are losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data back driven strategies that deliver real results for you.